Mr.veggiedad's adventures. Welcome to Mr.veggiedad's adventures. Welcome to Mr.veggiedad's adventures.
What is up, everybody? We got a different video today. We're at home and we're filming from home. So recently, Miss Jordan over here decided to take some leftover buffalo dip and make chicken nuggets out of them. And I kind of just posted them around social media because it was a fun little thing. But then we decided to post it on Rednote, known as xiaohongshu. I hope I said that right. And it blew up. I mean, 30,000 views in a very short amount of time. So after getting tons of comments all day long about it, about how to make it and what it looks like, I'm going to do a little video about us making it so you can see the process and see what it looks like. So come along with us for this little ride. This is a different video. I don't think we're going to fill this channel with cooking videos, but we're at home. So let's have fun and let's do this. So starting out is very simple. You just want a rotisserie chicken, which you see we've already started peeling the skin and bones out of. Here's another one. We obviously get our chickens from Sam's Club, so because they're $5 and that's the best way to do it. We did not want to cook our own whole chicken, so yes, first ingredient, chicken. And obviously, because we don't want to throw the wings and bones and all that stuff in there, obviously eat the wings, duh. Yummy, yummy. So also when making this, be smart. Take your leftover chicken carcass, put it right in the water. And obviously we're going to add other things to that, but then let that thing come to a boil and then let this thing simmer for like, we're probably going to do like 6 or 7 hours. And you got a nice little chicken stock. Woo! You can throw the little ones in there too. Why not? Yes. There we go. So the chicken is shredded down, and that's the first part of the buffalo dip. All right, what we got?
We got
hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Just hot sauce.
Hot sauce of your choosing.
Yeah, but there's only one that goes in buffalo chicken dip. We just can't say it.
There we go. And it all gets mixed together. So your first two ingredients are chicken and hot sauce.
Chicken and hot sauce. And it went straight to my nostrils.
Ooh, can you breathe?
Yeah, I can breathe.
Okay. Okay. After you get the hot sauce mixed into the chicken, it should give off this like red pinkish tone to it. And then you're ready to add the next two ingredients. And here we have the last two ingredients, cream cheese and ranch dressing. We have 16 ounces of cream cheese and roughly 8 to 10 ounces of ranch. All right, dump it on in. There we go. Look at that. Mmm.
That is a lot.
That is a lot.
Oh.
That's good. We want it nice and creamy. It is buffalo dip, that's for sure. But we're turning this buffalo dip into nuggets for our friends over on the Rednote. And then it gets nice and mixed in. There we go. So as you can see, the buffalo dip is complete. And up next, we shall turn it into chicken nuggets. A very important step before we turn it into nuggets is I'm going to dip my tortilla chip in, well, 2 tortilla chips, and make sure that it's good buffalo dip. It is. Going into the next step, the battering station. It is a standard batter station. Let's check it out. So standard, just flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Yes, this will be the fun part. So now she is putting the buffalo dip into the flour and into the egg wash. And then it's going to go into the breadcrumbs. Which if we wanted, we could go extra. Double batter.
That might be a little much.
You think so?
Probably.
Is it sticking good?
Yeah.
Good.
God, they're gonna be like mini strips more than nuggets.
Hey, that's fine. That works.
Yeah.
Oh. Dangly bit. Just
Don't want that.
all right. And so
I'm also
essentially,
using panko, which I did not use the first time.
so essentially, there is your buffalo chicken nugget before it is fried, air fried at least. So here we go.
I just realized.
All right, so we have 3 really good ones that we're gonna do as our testers. Let's check it out. So there's 3 buffalo chicken dip nuggets that we're gonna air fry. Oh, where are we at? At 350 for about 10 minutes.
Hi, Chris.
And we're gonna see how it goes. All right, putting that in there for, is that 10 minutes? There we go.
Roughly 10 minutes is fine.
There we go. There it goes.
For a second.
Oh, these are looking good.
See if they'll flip properly. Sticking a little bit. Oh, not too much.
There we go. So this is after 10 minutes. Oh, that one's gonna be so good.
That's a big one.
It looks like a straight up chicken tender.
There we go.
So we'll just let it go for a few more minutes.
I'll go.
All right. Oh, look at those. Let's hear that crispiness. Here. I do these. Let's hear how crispy they are. Oh, those are going to be great. Let's get them on a plate. Ooh, those look good. All right. For those that wanted to see the middle. Look at that. There's the buffalo dip right in the middle. All right. There it is. Wow. It is crispy, juicy, and delicious. For those that wanted to see the inside, it just looks like straight up buffalo dip. Just crispy. Delicious. Amazing. So much fun. Let's see the magic. Ooh, there they are. Look at those. All right, let's get them on a plate. So that is how we turned our buffalo dip to buffalo dip nuggets. This was a fun little vlog. We don't normally do this at home stuff, but maybe we'll do some here and there just for the fun of it. Shout out to everybody at Rednote. Come here. Come here. Help me make sure I do it right. Xiaohongshu.
Yes.
Xiaohongshu. Thank you to everybody from Xiaohongshu that wanted to see this. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a lot of fun. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, yep, I think we're good. So prepping for the nuggets, we have a standard battering station here. So let me flip this around if it'll flip. Oh my goodness. Outtakes.